Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my new videos. So in our lesson today, we are going to look at bearing. And before we go into that, there are things I want us to note down. In bearing, while measuring your angle in the four cardinal points, that is north, east, south and west, while measuring your bearing there, that is your angle, you start from north. What it means that while measuring the bearing of any point, of any town, of anybody, they start their journey from north. They begin their journey from north. See what I mean with this example we have here. Here we are asked to find the bearing of B from A and also the bearing of A from B. This is our point A, this is our point B. So finding the bearing of B from A is, let's assume that B was with A at this point, at this town. So at a point, B decided to move to another town, leaving A at their original town. So B left A. He started his movement from here, from north. So B made the bearing of 150. That's, he started his movement from here and moved from here to this place. This is now B new town. So what you are asked to find here is the bearing, the distance B made while leaving A to his new town. If you watch here, the distance it made while leaving A to this new town is 150. So the bearing of B from A is 150. And say bearing of B from A was to 150 degrees. And again, we have to find the bearing of A from B. Here you have to do some little calculation for you to be able to get it. Now, at this point, we will assume that A is with B in this East New Town, and two of them were here, and at a point, A decided to move. Now, A left B to this town. Then you are now asked to find the bearing of A from B. And like I said before, they all started their journey from north. So you start measuring from north. So A left B from north. From here, A moved from here to this place. So what you are asked to find is this angle from here to here. That will be the bearing of A from B. So how are we going to do it? You trace this, your line, your south line. An angle, we know that from here to here is equals to 180. That is the sum of angles on a straight line is 180. And again, what you have to do again, you trace this one down to south. You know, angle here is equals to the angle here. Reason alternating angles are equal. And how do you know angles that are alternating? It forms a zigzag. If you watch here, there's Z here, Once you can be able to trace Z, just know that the angles here and here are equal, alternating. Now let's watch. For us to find this place, what we are going to do is to subtract 150 from 180. How and why? Because the total angle here from here to here is equals to 180, sum of angles on a straight line. And for us to find here, we have to subtract this from the total sum of angle. So subtracting 150 from 180, we are going to have 30. And since here is 30 and here is equals to 32, alternating angle, that means here is going to be 30 degrees. Now finding the bearing of A from B. Since we know A started his journey from here and stopped here, so here is remaining, okay, and the sum of angles at a point is equals to what? 360. So the total sum of angle here from here to here is 360. So for us to find the angle from here to here is to minus this angle from the total sum of angle here. So what we are going to do is bearing of A from B. We are going to have total sum of angle here, that's 360 minus 30, which should give us 330 degrees. So the bearing of A from B is equals to 330 degrees, and the bearing of B from A is equals to 150 degrees. Now that is what I want to tell us now. Once you are given any question to solve in mathematics, what you have to do first is to try to understand it. Once you are able to understand it, it will be easier for you to solve. Okay, now thank you very much for joining me today.